My name's Caleb Carter, and today I'm going to show you how to measure your trailer axle. Let's check it out. So the two most important measurements we typically want to get is the hub face to hub face and the spring center to spring center measurement. So the most important measurement being the spring center to spring center, you're going to measure from center of one spring to center of the other spring on the same axle. So you can just pull your tape measure and go from center of one to center of the other right here, and you can see this is 47. And sometimes this is kind of hard to do by yourself, so you can also hook the tape measure on the outside of one spring and pull down the axle to the inside of the other spring, and that will also give you your center to center measurement, which would still be 47. The next measurement you're wanting to get is you want to measure from hub face to hub face. So where the studs protrude out from the hub of the drum to the other side where the studs protrude out from the hub. So this one's a little bit more tricky to get. Definitely much easier when you have help. But you can get like a flat bar. Some people get like a flat bar and they'll actually put it in on the lug nut right here on the stud to get that measurement. So you can get like a piece of flat bar, like a magnet even, or anything that will just stick up, so you can just butt up that tape measure to it so you can have a more accurate measurement. But the hub face, it can vary a little bit, and that's not really going to matter. What matters the most is the spring center to spring center. So I just go like this, measure from hub face to hub face. So down there, down to here, and you can see we got 74. So that's how you get your measurements on your axles. Spring center to spring center being the most important, and then hub face to hub face. If you need any help, give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just check out our website, trailerpartsunlimited.com. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching.